Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check whether palm swipe to capture screenshot method available or not in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to advanced features. Go to advanced features here and go to motions and gestures, and here select palm swipe to capture. If the option is available, it will show here, otherwise it will not be shown. Okay, so here palm swipe to capture is available and it is given here, but it is turned off. If you want to activate palm swipe to capture, just turn on this button so that palm swipe to capture screenshot is activated, and now you can take screenshot with palm swipe like this. Swipe from the left side to right side. Swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Taken. So in this way you can easily check whether palm swipe to capture method is available or not in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.